Today we are making Pizza Popsicles, a fun twist on classic flavors that everyone will love. Hey food lovers, welcome back to Lemon Cone and Lunchbox series. We are adding Pizza Popsicles. They are not only packed with flavors but also quick and easy to whip up. Let's get started. First, take one chicken breast and cut it into thin strips, just like this. Now, in a mixing bowl, add your chicken strips, ginger garlic paste, hot sauce, black pepper, paprika powder, salt, and a splash of vinegar. Give it all a good mix and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Now heat some oil in a pan, add the marinated chicken, and cook on high heat first to seal in those mouth-watering flavors. Once the chicken changes color, splash some water, cover the pan and cook on medium heat until the chicken gets tender. It's ready! Now toss in some chopped capsicum, mushrooms, and black olive. Stir for just 2 minutes and set it aside to cool. While it's cooling, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so you don't miss out more delicious recipes. Back to the recipe. In a bowl, take boiled and mashed potatoes, add the cooked chicken, a pinch of black pepper, salt, red chili flakes, and mixed herb. Combine everything well until it's all mixed together. For the coating, beat an egg with a pinch of salt, black pepper, and some water. In another bowl, prepare your breadcrumbs. Now it's time to shake. Grease your hands, grab a generous amount of mixture, flatten it, place a popsicle stick in the center and add some mozzarella cheese, shape it into your desired form just like a popsicle. Dip the popsicle in the egg mixture. Coat them with breadcrumbs. And they're ready to fry. Heat oil on medium and fry them until golden brown. Or if you're feeling a bit healthier, pop them into an air fryer. And there you have it, Pizza Popsicles, perfect for lunch boxes or as a fun snack for tea time. If you love this recipe, make sure to like, share, and don't forget to leave your feedback. Now let's take a bite. Absolutely divine. These flavorful creations will leave everyone asking for more. Thanks for watching Lemon Cone. Remember, keep cooking, keep smiling.